Hey, look how nice it looks. Here, take that one. Oh, sorry.
If it looks nice, even though you say I made you spend so much money.
I want a lot of money.
If it looks nice.
Even though you say it looks...
Ah,
What are we putting here? Dinosaurs down here? Crocodiles, what are we bringing here?
Yeah, I got scared again. I just want these kids out of here. Tell them to stop these people. It's my wish. You can hear it all the way to the boat. You could have stayed on the boat. I'll give you one if you don't straighten up right now. I'll take the vehicle over there. Come on. From now on, just wait and you'll get all muddy. But you don't do anything.
But I also ate a sausage.
and I have sausage.
The man was finished. We were hungry.
But I ate a piece of sausage and you ate Kostika.
No.
You're hungry. 2 by 2, you don't even make that food anymore. I'll go make it. What are you doing? But I don't know.
Fuck you, you do it. Good afternoon.
Easy there. I'm hungry. Don't laugh. Why are you laughing? I'm hungry.
Hey, Bronk, are you going to tell me why you're doing this to me? Just wait. I'll come and grab you by the ears. Mom?
But he has that too.
We took it, but look, it was meant for her too. We could have taken it and given her a part nicely. Hey,
It weighs a ton.
he's obsessed with it. How?
Doesn't it weigh a ton? It weighs a ton. You can see that it weighs a ton. Look, when you do it, you... Look, be careful, idiots. That's what you need, so you don't get shocked with an egg up your ass. Take it out of your ass. Take it out, so you don't do this anymore. That's what you need. Look how many headbutt, so you don't do it. But with the sister, look here, so you can change mistake.
Ah, it is. Look, that's how it goes.
Yes, but only on camera. Let's see. No.
I'm filming this for YouTube. Come on, let's tie it up over there. Yes, yes, yes.
Don't back up on this one. Wait.
Wait!
Ready, Lumia Chiedu, stop asking nonsense. You always fall for her. Ha!
Ha, I won't delete them. Why? Why did I put them here? So everyone can see everything. Behave yourself. They're also involved in it. I don't know. There are 20 people here. That's all they've got. We'll lift it up, all 4 of us. We'll lift this one up. We'll lift it up, right? Where should I put her in? Yes.
Yes, he's moving it back. Do I need the bulldozer? No, go to the other side. Hand me the wire and grab the plates so I can put the wire in.
What do you mean? But do you have to do it like that?
Well, bring the long wire. Come on.
I put the rods into the tubes. Ow, I hit my head. Should I go sideways? Yes.
You take them with the machine arm.
No.
No, wait a second. The other side. Here, Tiberiu.
Che.
Hey, you might hit me in the head from this side.
Already.
Wait a second, this side with the side.
Wait a second. The other side.
Wait a second, the side. Wait a second, the side. Wait a second.
A second. The side with. No, I say you should tear it, Dad. Tear it from here. Be careful. It's glass and don't cut yourself over there.
You'll reach the bottom.
Again, look. There are only 3 of these here. Look, 4. Where do you get the hundreds? 1 here, and 1 here. Like that, around 503,020.
Zaś entre 12.
The weapon, should I throw it? Are you crazy? You have it. Don't let go from here like this. Give me this piece from here. And won't this sheet metal tear when you lift it? Doesn't the sheet bend?
It bends a little, yes.
Let's bend the sheet. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Look. Whoa. If we didn't do this, wouldn't it look like this? I don't know either. You'll see. It doesn't dry. You'll see that he did it. You have concrete. You made concrete. Look, this is concrete. Whoa, this is concrete. This is concrete.
Look, yours is like baby food.
Whoa, Kostika, you poured it for nothing. Whoa.
3 streets, who I was with, 3 I was too.
Not her. Fine. As long as you didn't waste it. This concrete is for the craft, you slackers. Look, this one has no cement. Look how it's done. Look, this is water. Wow, that's my idea. That's my idea. You do all this carelessly. I must be crazy. Hey,
Wasn't it supposed to go to my brother from there?
hey, the cable. The hose. You're afraid to give it more.
Then give it, Dan. Then give it! Wait, pay attention. Don't leave me like that. Careful.
Brace yourself. I arrived. Noi started the war.
What are you doing at home? And
Put on the flex.
take the angle grinder to cut from there. Take out the device.
Careful, like this.
Wait. Wait! Like this. Radici, hey, Radici, slowly, slowly.
Don't lift her by the arms. I'll come from behind like this. I won't lift her. I'll pull her like this, like this.
If you pick her up and put her down, it's fine, you know?
Yeah, look, look.
Let's see what happens now.
Look. Look, 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 look. I don't think you're wearing skates.
Look how defensive you got. Look, come on.
Don't drag her. Taos, come on, come on, come on, drag her. Pull her over here. That's it. Drag her.
Pull her over here too because she's really strong. Now lift it up a little. That's it.
Stop. Now, lift yourselves up. Lift yourselves up. Come on, you move too. That's it. Now lift those two too.
Lift it, lift them.
Lift it. Like that? That's it. That's as high as it goes. Thanks for...
Ow, my arm. Ow, a pig is biting me, bro.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Lift it higher.
Lift it higher. Lift me up. Lift.
I'm coming.
Move it to one side so I can grab that. Hey,
I'm taking it.
Get it moving! Push! Push!
overturn it.
Careful. Careful.
Push, push.
Push.
Push. Lift it up. Push, push.
Go, lift it up.
Let him do it. Go, let him do it. Lift it up.
Look, he's scared. He's about to tip over. What's this? He's doing it.
To make young people come to you.
To keep young people with you.
To overturn. To laugh at her. Hey, hey, let's see if she remembers to overturn. Let's see if she remembers to overturn so we can bet.
Well, leave him. You fooled him enough.
Come on, man, come on, man.
Well, you shouldn't get involved in this intro. I'm telling you no.
Here, now, now, now. Come on, man. Man, it's going to tip over.
Man.
To... Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. And a good one. Lift the wedge and the other one too. Lift the wedge, man. The wedge isn't lifted either.
Hey, he lifted the wedge.
Hey, lift the wedge, man.
Hey, hey, hey.
It might tip over. Look, look, look. If it doesn't lean to one side, listen. Look, 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 look. Yeah, man, it's lifting. Hey.
Look, 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 the cat.
But no, it didn't lift. Hey.
Whoa!
Woo! Hey, lift this damn wedge, man. I even made chicken here.
That's it. I want you to listen to me, man.
Put it back, man. Lift it up. Straighten it.
Put it on, straighten it. Here,
Here, here.
here.
Come on, lift. Come on, lift.
But it doesn't work. It doesn't work. You have to take both of them. Yes. Leave it like that, man. Yeah, leave it like that. Give it here.
Lift it up higher with that one. Whoa, whoa.
I'm lifting it up, eh? Turn it around.
Bring it over here.
Bring it here. Ha, ha, ha. Wow, 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 wow. Pick up. It's going to drop. Come on, give it like that.
Move the arm all the way. Lower that one all the way. Pull from there. Lower it there. Lower it, lower it, lower it. Lower it. There, there. I'll put it. All right, learn the secrets. When he gives you everything, that's all you get.
Understand the secrets. Go on, the secrets are yours.
If you come here, you need to come closer.
Hey, you need to move back.
You need to move, yeah. You need to move, man. Leave it here, man. Move it back. Give it. Take it down, too.
Move it back.
Put it down. Hey. Put it down. Put it down, too. What are you doing, hey?
Hey, hey, hey. Make it bigger on the ice. Come on, move.
Leave it. That's it. Just like that.
Hey, 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 hey.
Push it uphill.
Move. Move, move. Move. Go back and forth.
Hey, go forward. Go forward and come to the back. Hold it so it doesn't swing.
Whoa.
I'm coming around back. I'm coming right up behind.
Push it too far and it'll get lost. Yeah, but I didn't find you. I didn't have the courage to come to you.
Yeah, I don't know. The fluff is coming out of.
Yep. There, like that. There, like that. There, like that.
Brace it. Brace it into place. Brace it into place.
Brace it into place.
Bravo!
A lie, now you're strong. Go ahead. Keep the arm like that, a bit lower. Raise it a bit more there. Why isn't it working? It's not working.
You're spinning it too much.
The arm? Come on, man. Put it down. Hop, hop.
Hop, you need to turn that arm. Turn the arm. Some bastards are here, man. Turn the arm. Turn the arm.
Put it in the groove and lower the arm. Lower the arm. Give it to him like that. Cornell, give it.
Hop!
Don't let it damage the foundation. Leave it like that for a bit. Leave it like that for a bit. That's where it is.
The foundation will break. Mom, give me the eggs. Hold it so I can take it. Move, move.
Move it over there, close to the corner. Not exactly in the corner. I mean, the corner.
Move it closer. Bring the roof over. Move it here.
Take it. It's not much. It's not much. Put it here on the edge. Come on, hurry up. That's it. Put it on the board. Put it here.
Look.
That one is smaller, but it needs to be. We'll see later after he lifts it. No, put it aside after he lifts it. Lift it. No, wait. Tell him to leave it there for a bit. Let the tractor straighten it and to mount it so it's straight. Welcome.
Lift the whole thing. Hey, that's ugly.
Hey, put it aside. Hey.
Put it aside. Hey.
Hey!
Hey, okay, hey. Hey, put it down. We'll carry it ourselves. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. And let's see how we do it.
Good. Hey, lift it. Lift it up a bit. Lift it. Come on, raise it. Come on, raise it. Cut it, however you can. Hold it from there. Let's keep it on the path. Raise it. Let's raise 2 at once.
But that's why if he gives it to this one down there, it needs to be pulled from there. But
No, it doesn't need to be pulled. Just stretch it from there. Let's stretch it from there. Well,
it's at the max.
yes, it is.
No way, right? Let's push it from here on, and after we spin it, let it down. Come on, push hard, lower it. Let it down, that's it. And from here, we'll handle it. And from here, we'll take it further.
Lower it. It needs to go down.
And you do the matu. Mom pushed something. Matua in the mouth. How big it was. You give... There's something there. There's something here too. What's that in the mouth? I don't know. There's something in... Something white. Oh,
Huh? Good kid, sir?
The mole. Look, the mole's with you.
the white one doesn't take it.
The white mole doesn't take it.
I don't think it was the mole when they took it down from above.
Or he said,
Will you put it there? Yes.
Yeah.
ah, it was burning. They. Look, oil
Where are you leaking a lot of oil again? Look. Again. Don't do it like that. Go in reverse, lift it up. Lift it up.
Put the bucket here. Yes.
The bucket there. And don't do it like that. Put it like this, yes, and do it like this. Because if you put it like that, you'll ruin everything here.
Like that. Bring the bucket a bit more this way. Yes, me too. Hey, with. Close the bucket tighter. Close the bucket. Hey. Close the bucket tighter and go over there.
Close it tighter. Hey, close the bucket.
You just go like that to those with everything and put it. Distance, huh?
With a gap, it's not like it's going to stay now to stretch over there. Just stretch it the same way. Like this. Take it.
Compare it like that with the chalk. It's lower. Just that one. No, just that one. Yes, give it. That one, give it. That one. No, that one. Give it. That one.
Give that one. No, give that one like that, man. Like that. And now it's squeezing the arm. Oh. Turn it like that.
He lifted him up. I can't follow. This isn't working.
He's lifting me up.
Everything is fine. But I don't feel how the beat goes. You see what you're going to give, Hop. Oh.
Push a little from there. Move the arm a little uphill. Push a little uphill. Let it down.
Do it like that.
Let it down. Come on. Lift it up.
Ridică sus!
We'll put it after that, you oaf. This one.
One of the opinions that I saw.
But if it goes down, it has to go down in order to work. Well, you come and push from here, man.
From here, man, and you push even onions. If they don't come, it's not needed. What the heck, Lord, forgive me. Here, leave it for a bit.
Lift it up a bit.
You should have kept it a bit shorter there. I told you to lift it up. Well, you lift it up gently.
This one, though.
Yes, then push from here. Yes, push the arm. You can do it. Push with the arm, but it's at the maximum.
Take it down now. Lower it gently. Take it down. The arm. Done.
Wait.
Wait. Which stone is it?
That one over there. Wait.
Just a bit.
Come on, lift it back up. Put it in there.
No, because that one from the back came. Because that's where it goes next. Put this one in, because a smaller one came there. That's what he said, but it's too high.
Just a little bit, just a little.
A bit.
Up!
Let me put it like this.
Take it, lower it down. Wait.
Like that, lower it. Here, here, here. It needs to go in there. Yes.
And he said, stay there. You pick it up from here right away. Oh, yeah?
And you put it in. Here we put a bed. Are you putting it in there?
Yes, look at that. Yes.
We're putting in a stake now.
Done. Take it out. Take it out onto the bed. No. No, I know, I know. Okay, Gunter. And Miko, let him watch at the end, at the plate.
Yes, it has to be on the canvas. It's good the potatoes didn't fall, and it's really hard down there, or he wouldn't be eating anymore. Seriously.
You're going to get it again.
Leave it on the steak. Dory, that's why the cameras are here, so everyone can see everything.
She had a bowel movement.
Wow, it's beautiful here.
She couldn't live here. She's from the plains.
To go this way. Here.
What's this boy's name?
What's his name?
Thanks.
Livy, you come and eat, man.
Hold this bucket properly like this.
Just leave it like that.
Aren't you hot? Aren't you?
Feeling sick, huh?
Hey, we should have put some of those potatoes. What are they called? Some pickles. So we could have some pickles here. Pickled. You don't know, Costico, we didn't add onion.
Well, we had to put it, man.
Look, you...
We'll plant onions here in the fall. Yeah, you can leave now. It's not late. Don't worry.
Ah.
Is it late?
Aha. Hallelujah.
He showed me a saw. Let it rust.
Ah, she's putting it on me. Oh my goodness, really? Mom!
Mom!
Where do I push it? Damn it, man.
Aha! What a treat. Don't just stand there.
Stay with her even if it's bad with them. Hey, come here next to me.
Yes. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Let me squeak too.
That's where I should forgive.
Oh, Tiberia, you coward, stay with them.
Yeah, yeah.
But press it, you coward. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha, I'll call.
He kissed him on the back once.
Isn't he afraid?
He's not afraid, man.
Look, if you step on it, damn it, stop, stop. Hey, stay like that.
Hey! Stay!
Come on, it's going to break. Pull it back. Pull it back when this one breaks. Whoa.
Up!
Go. Come on, David. David.
Wait up!
David. Hey, stay in line.
Stay there.
I'm scared too.
Stay there.
I'm scared. David!
Hey, David.
Let me be there.
See? Hey, don't turn. Why are you turning? Just go straight like that.
Grip!
Good, it's good, it's good.
Done. I'm lifting up, eh? Down now. Done, man. Hey.
Lift it!
Done. Do we need another mishap or not?
We still need one.
We should have another mishap. Nice.
Yes?
He's really scared.
Some guys, man, they would spin a wheel through that one and a wheel here just like that so we'd make some noise. Ha 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 ha. Yeah.
They'd spin one through the hub, one down below. So it would scare them.
Yes.
Man. Not at all. It's not like that.
There are people who have died.
Yes.
Yes.
How? I mean, she's not afraid because she's tall, and the chair is tall too, you know? And when she swings a bit, it's like, you know how you say it's like you're on a ride.
All right, all right. You don't know what to tell her?
Yeah? 4. Hey,
4. But is it for both big and small?
I don't think he has it. Or does he have it for both big and small? I don't know.
It wouldn't be just once, but when it happens, it's in the big one, right? One for the big one, one for the small one.
Oh, and the ducks and geese are happy there, and I saw them. They have water, they have chickens, they have ducks. All right, with her basket. So do it. They even have a stone here to sit on.
I don't know.
I gave you more.
What are we doing? Are we leaving this here?
Undercover? Huh?
Let's put one.
Yeah, we can look carefully. I can drill holes with the big drill, and put in some anchors. Bam, 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 done.
Donitsa.
She's nice, and she came looking nice now, this girl, to these poor guys. Since she's so pale, she'll end up in the frying pan.
That's how pale she is over there?
Huh? Yes! Why did you go and install this app? So everyone can see me? Exactly, so they can see everything I do?
This one you placed here with the cameras and everything, a bottle.
Leave her too.
And leave her with a bottle.
Let her install a camera for you as well.
Is that what Stika said? When did he say that?
But he keeps nagging me. Come on, Tiberio, let's put them in.
With a bottle?
Yes.
It's also Drashwara. It's Drashwara. Up to the... It's also Drashwara. It's Drashwara. Up to that. They need it. They need to see.
When I get annoyed.
Don't I put it myself?
Exactly.
That's it, yes.
Huh?
I'll turn on the beacon for you, man.
Ah.
Another bottle. Haha, with a bottle. Ha ha ha. And here, that's how he does it.
And there it is. It's beautiful. Ha ha ha. Beautiful.
No, bro, I swear on everything I have.
Don't do that to me.
See how chickens do it? That's how city guys do it.
The city guys do it. The chickens do it.
Right? Right. Exactly.
Not like that, ha ha ha.
Yikes. Cluck, 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 cluck.
Ha ha. Over, ha ha ha.
Ha!
I have things to do.
He'll hit you.
Of course.